Okay, how are we doing today? Normally, whoa, damn. Normally, I don't talk about Ford Bronco on this channel because it's a Jeep channel, but I did order a Ford Bronco. I ordered the Ford Bronco within 24 hours of launch. I'm going to start off with positive note. I think the Ford Bronco, for what I've seen so far, is great. Technology base wise, it's just a good, looking wise, I think it's going to kick Wrangler's butt, and this is from a Jeep guy. But I have some disappointing news that I found out today. Now, it's kind of insider information because I don't think they want you to know about this, but I went to the dealership today, and I've known this for a little bit because I know two dealerships, and I know a mechanic's one of them, and he was telling me that this was in May already, that most of the orders weren't being fulfilled. So say you have like 20 Broncos ordered. On this one particular dealership, in May, only 5 were confirmed. Well, I went into my dealership today, and they have over 20 Broncos for their particular dealership. Only 8 have been confirmed so far. Now, I'm talking to the manager, and I'm like, we're bullshitting about what's going on with the Bronco and the delays. And I've been getting the vibe from most of the salespeople, the management team, the mechanics even, that this is becoming a headache for Ford in general. They are way behind on production, not just on the Bronco, the Ranger, the Mustang. Now I'm talking about the new vehicle, the EV vehicle, or the new EV truck. Just to give you an example, if you order a Ranger, a month ago, I went in to look at a Ranger. Just to give you an example, they told me 6 months. 6 months to get a Ranger. I mean, that's crazy. I know someone that ordered a Mustang. They were supposed to get the Mustang in May. And when they went to the dealership say that it hasn't been put in production yet. And they were supposed to get it in May. It's June. So this is just pointing out that Ford is having a lot of problems right now. So get back to what you want to hear about the Ford Bronco. So I went into the dealership today and I talked to the manager. And he goes, and I told him that, hey, I know I'm not going to be one of the first to get it. I understand that because I got the Sasquatch package, I got a hard top, yada, yada. You don't even care about that. And I looked at him, I go, but I told him straight out, I go, I'm super excited. I'm stoked about getting this vehicle. And I go, I don't mind waiting for December. Now, little background on me. I've been a sales manager for 20 years. I mean, I tell the truth, but I tell the truth only when I know something's going to hit the fan. He looked me straight in the eye and goes, I really don't think you're going to get this by December. And I looked at him, I go, December? I mean, you got, kidding me, December. He goes, I don't think so. He goes, they had a meeting on Tuesday, the dealership. So I'm not sure, I haven't seen this on the internet. I looked for it. And basically, they're using the hardtop at this point as a scapegoat. They're having problems with the hardtop, the chip, and a lot of other parts for the Bronco. So if you think you're going to get your Bronco this year, I have a feeling we're not getting our Bronco this year. Am I going to wait for it? Oh yeah, I'm representing with the goddamn t-shirt. I'm going to wait for the Bronco. But a lot of people can't wait for the Bronco. And a lot of people are going to leave a bad taste in their mouth. I want Bronco to live on. I mean, I want this vehicle to succeed. And I did talk to him at the same time about test driving, since I have the pre-order and when they get their Bronco. Oh, here's another thing. They're supposed to have a Bronco on the showroom June 1st. I went in today again. I'm like, hey, did the Bronco come in? And this is the same sales manager goes, between me and you, we're supposed to be here June 1st. It still hasn't been, they still haven't produced it yet. So if that's for a dealership that can't get a damn Bronco on the floor, what do you think about us? But good news is, he said when it does come in, I get to test drive it. And I'll make a video on that because, a lot of people, these videos I see out there, they're all, I mean, let's be honest, man. Bronco Nation bought and paid for, Town and Country bought and paid for. There is a highway on-ramp right next to this dealership. I am going to get that thing on the highway, and I'm going to stomp that living out of it. And I'm going to take a video of it. So I want to see what a Badlands on 33s feels like when it gets stomped on. And we're going to see the reaction of A, the guy sitting next to me, or girl, and B, we'll see how this thing goes. So hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, not my normal content, but share if you can, because I think people should start getting ready. We're not going to get our Bronco this year.